So this is the Roland TM-2. It's a great bit of kit, and importing samples to it, it's super easy. The first thing you'll need straight away is an SD card, which is a little bit annoying. So you can't access the internal memory of this, you have to do it on an SD card. But once you do have an SD card, then you're gonna need to format it to the TM-2. It's really simple. Just insert it. It's going to take forever to load. And once it's loaded, you're then going to press the Shift and Inst button at the same time to get to the setup. And you're just going to hit the right arrow until you get all the way over to SD card format. Hit the plus button to get into that menu. It's going to ask if you're sure, which is quite a good safety feature. Hit the plus button again and it'll format it. Once you've done that, if it hasn't taken you back to the main kit menu, which it should, but you can then just press Inst and it'll go straight back to the main kit. Now you're going to take out the SD card and put it into your computer of choice. I'm using a Mac in this video. You don't have to, you can use Windows too. So when the SD card's in your computer of choice, you'll get this menu up. Now you won't have an 80s track there because obviously I've previously imported samples. Speaking of which, that right there is a backing track, and if you want to know how to import backing tracks to the TM-2, you can check out the video just up there. But you'll probably just have the Roland folder, so you want to double click into that, double click into TM-2, double click into Wave, and then excitingly, we have this. Now these are category folders, and you can create as many as you like and name them whatever you like. This is how they'll appear on the TM-2. So I'm just going to create a new folder called claps. Within that folder, I'm then going to drag in my clap of choice. If you'd like this clap sample, then you can find it in the link down below. And if you're one of my patrons, then you'll find it on the Patreon page just as this video goes live. This clap sounds like this. I know. It's pretty beautiful. What you want to make sure is that any audio that you're importing is in a WAV format, 16-bit, 44.1. So when you go to export it in Logic or Ableton or Cubase or whatever, or Fruity Loops, get out Fruity Loops, or whatever you're using, just make sure WAV, 16-bit, 44.1, then you'll be good. After that, you just eject the SD card, chuck it back into the old TM-2, wait 1,000 more years for it to load. Once it has loaded, just choose a kit where you want that sample. For me, I'm just gonna stick with kit 53, which is just a blank kit. You're gonna hit the Inst button, and then you're gonna hold down the Shift and the plus button to skip all the way through to where the SD card is. And you'll see that because it'll say SD, and then it'll have the name of the folder that you created. So in my case, it says claps, because that's the category that I created. And there you go, right there, 1980 clap1.wav. Then you can just hit the Inst button to go back to the kit, and you're all good. Within there, you can change the settings like dynamics and which pad it's on and things like that. I won't go into that into this video, but if you did want to check that out, just click on the right arrow on your TM-2 and you'll get to all of those settings. If you have any questions or comments, please lob them in the comment section down below. I'm Harry, this is Drum Electric, and I hope you have fun importing samples to the TM-2.